Hi, my name is Dayla Miller, and I am the Director of Total Health Conferencing. Thank you for registering for our virtual meeting. This video is intended to take you on a virtual tour to explore the platform, show you how to navigate the live sessions, network with your peers and colleagues, and access industry information on new drugs and diagnostics. For this tutorial, I'll be using a generic Total Health Conferencing virtual meeting as an example, but the meeting you attend will look different. However, the features and functionalities will be the same. Let's dive right in. You will receive an email prior to the event with unique information on how to join. We recommend using Google Chrome as your browser for the meeting as it works best with the virtual platform. You'll be prompted to put your email and individual password to sign into the meeting, and the entrance page will look like this. After logging into the platform with your unique password, a pop-up will appear for you to edit your profile. We highly recommend that you do so. You can ensure all of your information is correct, upload a profile picture, link your social media accounts, and even add a brief bio. You can also edit your account to update the password so it's no longer the temporary password we provide. Once you submit, you'll be in the lobby. In the lobby, you'll find the agenda, the special presentations, and the exhibitors. The header is how you'll navigate between each room. So let's take a quick tour of each of these areas. First, we'll go into the general session. In the general session, you'll find the agenda. When you click on a session, a pop-up will appear with more information about the session and the speakers that will be presenting. You are also able to add the session to your calendar. We highly recommend ensuring that you do not miss the live presentation. When the session is about to begin, a countdown will appear and there'll be a button that says click here to attend, which then you'll be entered into the session. If you miss a live session or want to re-watch any of the presentations, they'll be available on demand once the session is over, and you'll be able to view at any time. When you enter into the session, it'll look something like this, and the video will play automatically when the live presentation starts. On the side of the screen are the features that you can use throughout your presentation. We encourage you to engage with each other and the speakers, as well as exhibitors during the sessions in the Q&A tab. Our speakers will be available to answer your questions throughout the presentation and after the presentation concludes. In the About tab, you'll see the description of the presentation and the speakers who are presenting. In the Slides tab, you'll be able to download the slide deck of the presentation. In the Notes tab, you'll be able to take notes while watching the presentation and email them directly to yourself. We recommend you constantly save your notes so that they do not disappear. Now let's head into the exhibit hall where you'll be able to view and access industry information from each of our exhibitors. Be sure to look out for announcements on giveaways for engaging with the exhibitors. Let's take a look at one of our exhibit booths. In the exhibit booth, you'll find information about the company and their products. On the left-hand side are the resources of the new data and information to explore. In the center of the booth, you can view the company's social media channels as well as submit an inquiry and to receive a follow-up. On the right-hand side are the company representatives you can connect and engage with. You'll know if a representative is online if the green dot is there. When online, you'll be able to chat, video call, message, book a meeting, and download the virtual business card. If a representative is not online, the green dot will not appear and the chat and video call features will not be available. In addition, you can set your availability for one-on-one appointments within your profile. We recommend you set your availability times as soon as you sign into the platform. You can select your times by going to the drop-down arrow next to your photo on the right-hand side of the screen. You'll select meetings and you'll see you're able to set available meeting times. You'll have the options to select the date, the time frame that you're available, if you want it to be back-to-back appointments, what time interval you want it, as well as if you'd like it to be the video call or specify another option like your phone or a separate Zoom or WebEx. When representatives or colleagues schedule an appointment with you, both parties will receive an email notification and you'll have the option to add it to your calendar. You'll now see all of your available appointment slots within this Meetings tab. The same way you're able to connect within the virtual booth, you can go into the networking lounge and see all the registered attendees, including speakers and exhibitors. This is a great way to network and make new connections even from a distance. If you have any technical issues throughout the meeting, we'll have live tech support that can be found at the bottom right-hand side of your screen. If you have any questions for the Total Health team, you can find our contact information in the Total Health Conferencing exhibit booth in the exhibit hall. I hope you enjoyed this virtual tour. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. We're looking forward to seeing you real soon.